everybody, welcome back. It's Mark. Well, about 2.5 weeks ago, Tabitha's parents were here and Frank wanted to go out. If you guys remember Frank, from the first tournament in 2021 we did out at Table Rock, he was here. Anyway, we went out on the lake a couple days. This is one of those days, and we had a great day. But here that is. Go ahead and check it out. Tell me what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do.
What are you gonna throw first? Frog?
Yeah, because between us and here, there's also laydowns. There's trees.
Okay.
And they could come up off of a tree and get it.
Right. That's a good hiding spot for them, under a tree. Oh, I heard him.
I got him. On the white frog, Papa. Let's get him in the boat.
No, I'm not touching it.
It's a good one.
You're gonna do it yourself. You're a big boy. Good
Yeah,
job, brother.
It worked. They're eating good in the neighborhood.
Yeah. Or they haven't spawned out yet, one or the other.
Alright. I still got it. Smaller than it looks. It's 2-1 1/4.
2-1, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Anything over 2 though, we're happy.
I was way off. Yeah. Hey,
You can't say it don't work.
spray my back.
Okay.
I got the spray right here. Son of a bitch. Oh, you little.
What happened?
I got this little hook thing in my shorts. You're gonna have to come and pull this out for me, buddy. I can't see it.
Where's it at?
In my ass. But it's not, it's in my shorts ass, but it's not in my ass. It's in the material.
Oh shit.
In the material.
You got it bad. Both hooks. 2 out of 3. Oh shit, Papa.
See, I know how to set the hook, Mark.
Well, you've
I
done
got
it.
up to
Okay, there's one.
look in here to see if that one I used yesterday was in here, but I don't see it.
Which one? Is within 5. Oh! He was behind it.
Right when he's
I
not
didn't even touch
expecting
it.
it.
He hit it right behind it.
Yeah. That lake reminded me of like Lake Ontario.
Oh! Big!
Just keep him tight.
I got it.
It's not that big.
It's a
Close
3
to-
pounds.
3 pounds even?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh yeah, now I look at them.
They're short. You see how short they are?
Yeah.
But they're fat.
But they're
and like their
husky.
mouth. Look at his mouth.
Yeah.
That's a 3-pound bass with a small mouth.
Yeah.
Mouth.
Exactly. You had to move every.
Oh! He was behind it.
He just swallowed it.
No, it's right there.
Oh, he was after it?
Yeah.
Well, you found a lure that might work. They're crazy after that little mouse.
There he is. See?
He missed it again. He's probably a
He's
small.
right there.
Probably a small fucker.
I don't know. That's a keeper. I mean, that's a fucking keeper size bass.
That's a 3-pounder right there. Yep.
Patience, Papa, right?
He did not want it.
He wanted this
He
fucker.
wanted that son of a bitch. That's right.
Oh, shit! Big.
All right. Keep him just tight. Keep him tight.
He's going nuts, Papa. I got him in the boat. He's in. That's bigger than the other one.
I would say that's over 2 pounds. Smallest being the 2-pounder.
Still got 26 minutes to catch a bigger one. Which way you can quit?
Yeah, and you didn't start till late. What time does the tournament start? Yeah, we didn't start till 10. We give them all a chance.
2.8. 2.5.
2-8. Okay.
It's an Andy Janice lure. He's bleeding. We gotta save him quickly. The hook is stuck in him bad. I'm sorry, pal.
He wanted to swallow that baby.
Yeah, we're gonna get you back in the lake, okay? There we go. I almost got you. There we go, buddy. You're bleeding like a fucking stuffed pig. Okay. 2 pounds the smallest, Papa?
Yeah.
We'll call this the last one.
Okay. That's 2 even.
Yep.
I think that's a little more than 2 even.
He's a quarter of an ounce. He's 2.5. The other one's 2 1/4. Or just 2 and, you know. God, he was bleaking. All right. Well, as you can see, we had a great day. We had a couple little challenges and caught several fish. Anyway, anytime you can get out in the water with family and stuff, it's a great day. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you real soon. Take it easy.